This is about the politics being played there in Maharashtra as far as the inauguration ceremony on January 22nd is concerned. We are learning that NCP MLA Jitendra Awad has kicked off a row while addressing a crowd of party workers at the party's study camp in Shirdi by saying, and I am going to quote him here, Lord Ram was a king of Bahujans and non-vegetarian. BJP was quick to in fact target Awad, terming him as one who disrespected emotions of crores of devotees of Ram. BJP MLA Ram Kadam will in fact is going to file an FIR against Awad today is what we are learning. Yesha, now coming back to you, what more details do we have about this FIR that is now going to be lodged? All right, Yesha, we'll come back to you, but let's first listen into some reactions coming in on the same, and then we'll be delving more into this particular story.
अरे राम आपला आहे, बहुजनांचा आहे राम. शिकार करून खाणारा राम तो आमचा आहे, आमच्या बहुजनांचा. तुम्ही जिथे आम्हाला सगळे शाकाहारी बनवायला जातात की आम्ही रामाचा आदर्श पाळतो आहोत आणि आम्ही मटण खातो. हा रामाचा आदर्श. राम हा शाकाहारी नव्हता, तो मांसाहारी होता. 14 वर्ष जंगलात राहणारा माणूस कुठे जाणार हो ते शाकाहारी शोधायला.
श्रीमान शरद पवार गुट के नेता हमारे भगवान राम के प्रति बेहुदा भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं, मनगढ़ंत बातें बोल रहे हैं. वे कह रहे हैं कि भगवान राम जब 14 वर्ष के वनवास में थे इस कारण वे मांसाहारी थे. अब कहां से इन्होंने संशोधन किया? यह सोची समझी, चाहे वो शरद पवार गुट हो या कांग्रेस दल हो, इनकी साजिश है. इनसे देखा नहीं जा रहा कि 22 जनवरी को भव्य और दिव्य राम मंदिर बन रहा है. इनके पेट का दर्द इन बयानों से छिलक रहा है.
उन डॉक्टर जितेंद्र आवाड जी ने प्रभु श्री राम के बारे में अभद्र टिप्पणी करते हुए, प्रभु श्री राम मांसाहार करते थे. जब 14 साल वो वनवास में थे तो उन्होंने मांसाहार किया और उन्हीं का आदर्श लेके हम मांसाहार करते, हम मटन खाते. इस प्रकार की अभद्र टिप्पणी उन्होंने की. डॉक्टर जितेंद्र आवाड हिंदू धर्म के खिलाफ बोलते, हमेशा से देवी देवताओं का अपमान करते. हमारी यही मांग है कि अगले 24 घंटों में वर्तक नगर पुलिस स्टेशन में उनके खिलाफ अगर FIR नहीं हुई तो एक बड़ी महाआरती हम वर्तक नगर पुलिस स्टेशन के बाहर करेंगे.
Yesha Kotak continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Yesha, this particular statement is extremely controversial. We were earlier talking about this as well. You fleetingly mentioned the stance of Mahavikas Aghadi. But how exactly are they going to defend this particular statement? Because we already heard that BJP's Ram Kadam is going to file an FIR against this statement.
Absolutely. In fact, not only Ram Kadam, of course, Ram Kadam will be approaching Ghatkopar police station around 9:30 to file this FIR with his people. But apart from that, when you speak of other people, which also includes, there are various organizations who at Nasik's Panchwati would also be holding protests against Jitendra Awad. But despite all of these comments, when Jitendra Awad was again confronted by several reporters, he said that he is absolutely sure about the statement that he made, and he has also said that in the same event, the event that continues at Shirdi today around 11 o'clock is where Jitendra Awad would further produce documentary evidences to support his statement. Now, this is the kind of stance that Jitendra Awad has held despite a controversial statement. He is of the opinion that the statement that he's made is absolutely true, and there are no two thoughts to it. But we're seeing Ram Kadam, who has in fact made a statement saying that this very statement that's coming from Jitendra Awad does not really hold true, and he cannot question someone's religious beliefs that way. So he would be going further and holding and requesting Ghatkopar police station to register a case against him. But apart from that, we had seen that several NCP workers from Ajit Pawar faction, they had gathered yesterday at Thane, which is very close to Jitendra Awad's house, and they were further going to Jitendra Awad's house to hold a protest against him for the statement that he made. In this very stance, however, Thane police had detained them so that further protest does not continue. But like we're hearing statements that are coming in from various locations. At Vartak Nagar also there'd be protests against Jitendra Awad. So this very statement that Jitendra Awad has made is of course not the first one, a controversial one coming from the MVA alliance in Maharashtra. ahead of Ram Mandir inaugural. But amidst all of this, what is in fact being seen is the fact that this statement has in fact turned into a political row, which is where we see that there would be several opposition parties, there will be several parties from the ruling who would further go ahead and hold this very protest against Jitendra Awad. Yes.
Definitely, Yasha, and just for the better perspective of our viewers, could you also give us context about this event where he was actually speaking, and what was the public reaction while he passed this particular controversial statement?
So of course this was a long speech of Jitendra Awad where he was speaking for approximately half an hour, and this was the event wherein all the NCP workers were present at Nashik. This was in Shirdi where only the NCP workers were present. However, there were several statements that he made, several statements against Ajit Pawar as well, which received a lot of support from the crowd, from the workers who were present. However, when we speak of this very statement, there was absolutely a pin of silence. No one really hooted or reacted to this because it had taken public by the shock. When he speaks of something like this at various parts in his speech, at various events in his speech, he made references to BJP, he made references to the Ram Mandir inaugural, and he in fact further went and criticized BJP's politics. And we've seen this stand being taken by the MV alliances. That is, for that matter, earlier Sanjay Raut, or for that matter now Jitendra Awad. Like we mentioned earlier, both of them had taken a stance against BJP at various occasions. In fact, at one point, NCP chief Sharad Pawar, under whose party in fact Jitendra Awad falls, had also said that he does not believe in going to temples. This had in fact come in as a part of the whole invitation politics that had gone ahead in Maharashtra, wherein several leaders had claimed that they were not being invited for Ram Mandir inaugural. But at this very stance, while we saw Jitendra Awad addressing a huge crowd of NCP workers, he made a statement which has turned out to be controversial. In fact, here, the fact that he said that Ram belonged to down southern, and which is where he would eat meat because he stayed for 14 years in Vanvas, is something that's not being acceptable as a religious comment by the whole community.